Hey, Joe from Cloud App. In today's How to Use the Internet video, I wanted to show you how to set up a Twitter account. Twitter can be a great social network to be able to recruit, spread news about your brand or yourself, connect with other people, follow real-time news, and really just a fun platform in general. So if you go to twitter.com, go ahead and click on sign up. I'll create an account here, put in your name. You can change phone or email. I have my handy how to use the Internet Cloud app at gmail.com email that I can put in there. We'll go ahead and fill out, let's say January 1st. I don't know, what year should I say? 1935. Let's go for that. Click next. You can choose to click or unclick these personalized ads or where your information shows about Twitter across the web. So I'm going to just go ahead and unclick those. And when I click sign up, it's going to send me a personalized email with a verification code. So if I go to my email, there's my code, 685658. Go ahead and click next. Let's make a password. I'm going to skip the profile for now. You'll enter a bio. This is my bio. You can choose to upload contacts and see if you have any friends who are already on Twitter. You can skip that also. You can go ahead and click things that you're interested in, and that will help you to find accounts that are associated with that. I'm going to skip that for now. And then here's also a list of people that you may want to follow. Obviously, influential brands, people, athletes, different things like that. You can click to follow them. And when I click next, here we are. I'm all set. And I can start writing my first tweet. And that's it. That's how you set up a Twitter account and how you get moving on Twitter in under a couple of minutes. So hope you have a good day and enjoy how to use the internet from Cloud App. Thank you.